Want to make money while you sleep? I'm talking about real, sustainable passive income that will still be crushing it in 2026. The best part, most people have no clue these methods even exist. Forget the overhyped, saturated stuff you see everywhere. Today, I am sharing 3 powerful strategies that are not only future-proof but also something you can start building right now. So, if you're ready to create income streams that work for you, instead of the other way around, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into our first idea: creating and selling niche digital products. Now, I know what you might be thinking: isn't that market saturated? Not if you do it right. The key word here is niche. Instead of creating a generic workout plan, think more specific. How about a 12-week postnatal yoga guide for new moms? Or, instead of a simple budget template, what about a financial planner for freelance graphic designers? The more specific you get, the less competition you have, and the more you can charge. The beauty of digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses, or even stock music is you create them once, and they can sell over and over again, 24/7, with no inventory to manage. By 2026, the demand for specialized digital solutions will be even higher. People want answers to their very specific problems, and if you can provide that, you've got a golden ticket to passive income. Next up, a strategy that's quietly becoming a powerhouse: dividend growth investing. This isn't about risky day trading or trying to time the market. It's a long-term, wealth-building machine. Here's how it works. You invest in stable, well-established companies that not only pay dividends, that your share of their profits, but also have a history of consistently increasing those dividends year after year. Think of it like getting a pay raise from your investments annually without doing any extra work. The real magic is reinvesting those dividends to buy more shares, which then generate even more dividends. It's a compounding snowball of passive income. By 2026, as your portfolio grows, so does the cash flow it generates. It's one of the most passive forms of income out there, because once you set it up, you're literally getting paid for owning a piece of a successful business. It's the ultimate make money while you sleep strategy. Our third idea, and this one is for the creators and experts out there, is building a paid community or membership site around a specific skill or hobby. People are craving connection and expert guidance more than ever. Instead of just selling a one-off course, you create a subscription-based platform where members pay a monthly or annual fee for exclusive content, community access, and direct interaction with you. This could be anything from a private group for aspiring bakers sharing advanced techniques, to a membership for learning a specific coding language, or even a community for urban gardeners. This model provides recurring, predictable revenue, the holy grail of passive income. While it requires some upfront work to build the community and ongoing effort to provide value, much of it can be automated with scheduled content releases and peer-to-peer support. By 2026, the creator economy will be even more integrated into our lives, and having your own paid tribe will be an incredibly valuable asset. So there you have it. 3 powerful passive income streams that are set to thrive in 2026 and beyond. Creating niche digital products, dividend growth investing, and building a paid membership community. The common thread here is providing specific value and playing the long game. None of these are get-rich-quick schemes, but they are realistic, sustainable paths to financial freedom. Start small, stay consistent, and in a few years, you could be the one earning money while you're dreaming. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies to build your wealth. See you in the next video.